Synonyms: annual, yearly, per year. A rise, an increase, a growth. A decrease, a fall, a drop, a decline, a reduction. Already, not new. A pair of, to. Allow, enable, avoid, keep safe from. All, every, a great deal of, a lot of. According to, depending on. Areas, parts. Effect, impact. Anticipate, foreshadow. Aid, help. Audience, viewer. Abnormal, unusual. Actor, performer. Attack, assault. Appearance, physiognomy. Amusing, funny, humorous. Aspects of life, existence. Alone, solely. Anxiety, fear. Assist their learning, improve their learning efficiency. A considerable amount, a great deal, a lot. A strong connection, a very close relationship. Assistant, apprentice. Autumn, fall. Abandoned, derelict. A prevailing wind, against the wind. Average, normal. Animals, livestock. Accidentally, only by chance. Agencies, jurisdictions. A wide variety of, a range of. Accept, tolerate. Actively notice, pay attention to. A sense of duty, moral obligation. Ancient creatures, fossils. A global team, an international working party. At risk, vulnerable. Auditory problems, hearing loss. Achievement, success. A psychological illness, a mental disorder. Effect, influence. Aggressive behavior, frustration and anger. Average sized, medium sized. Agree on, concur on. Alter, change. A century, 100 years. Associated with, relationship. Achievement, attainment. Admit, acknowledge. Attempt, effort. Affect the environment, ruin the environment. A sharp decrease, a crash, a sudden serious fall in the price or value of something. Allow, grant permission. Aggressive, assertive, pushy. Aid, help, assist. At the same time, at a time. A few, a handful of. Achievable, realistic. Associated with, closely related to. A similar way to, like. Ambitious, aspiring. Antagonize, provoke, embitter. After, following, next. Afraid, frightened, scared always, forever. Apparent, obvious, evident. Accompanied by, together with. Ability, skill, aptitude. Accurate, correct, right. Awful, dreadful. Awkward, clumsy, uncoordinated. Approve, accept, ratify, endorse. Arrive, reach, come. Above, overhead. Allow, permit. Achieve, accomplish, attain. Artificial, fake, synthetic, false. Amazing, fantastic, astonishing, extraordinary, incredible, fabulous, wonderful. Angry, mad, furious. Active, energetic, animated, lively. Adequate, sufficient, enough, ample. Ask, question, inquire. Adjourn, postpone, recess. Active, energetic. Answer, reply, respond. Ask, question, request, inquire, query, examine. Adult, grown up. Average, ordinary, fair. Attraction, spectacular. Advocate, support, recommend. Arrogant, haughty. After, behind. Awful, dreadful, terrible, bad, unpleasant. Businesses, companies. Beneath, under. Brief, short, concise. Broad, wide, expansive, beautiful, gorgeous, graceful, elegant, pretty, lovely, attractive. Begin, start, open, initiate, commence. Based on, modeled on. Brave, courageous, fearless. By, via, busy, occupied. Build, construct, big, enormous, huge, gigantic, vast, large, great. Bright, intelligent, knowing, quick-witted, smart, shining, shiny, brilliant. Buy, purchase, best, finest, blend, combine, mix. Be put together, be composed, be allowed, be entitled. Beautiful, view, breathtaking, wonderful, picturesque. Beautiful, person, attractive, gorgeous, good-looking. Base, foundation, brave, courageous. Be predicted to, be expected to. Be impossible, cannot. Building, construction. Before, prior, because, since. Be given priority, preferential. Believe, trust, accept. Be successful, to prosper, be fortunate. Barren, unproductive, infertile. Below, under, lower. Beneficial, helpful, useful, advantageous. Become troublesome, interfere with. Before, prior to. Brain, mind. Be able, be capable, be qualified. Ban, prohibit, forbid. Before, prior, earlier. Beginning, start, initiate. Be raised, be lifted. Become aware of, realize. Boundaries, frontiers. Body language, gestures. Beautiful, pretty, attractive, lovely. Bloom, flourish. Bones, remains. Beyond the point where land is visible, out of sight of land. Birds in temperate climates. Temperate zone birds. Build, construct. Located, situated. Consumption, use. Cut, reduce. Cities, urban. Crops, plants which are grown for food. Components, parts. Conscientious, careful. Common, generally. Create, form. Change the direction of. Reroute. Cannot be replaced. No substitute for. Complexity, intricacy. Currently. In more recent decades. Categories, types. Create, build. Consistent with, fit. Charging pricing. Commitment to, engagement. Colleague, peer. Charming, delightful, appealing, enchanting. Chilly, cool. Conditions, factors. Copy, reproduction. Colors, hues. Certain, sure, definite. Capture, seize, arrest. Consulted, asked advice. Collect, accumulate. Contribute to, lead to. Care, concern, protection. Careful, cautious, watchful. Cold, freezing. Comprehend, understand. Confuse, misinterpret. Coincidental, fortuitous. Civil, municipal. Close, shut, fasten. Close near. Conclude, draw a conclusion. Change, shift. Calm, quiet, tranquil. Complete, finish. Complex, complicated. Cooperation, support and understanding. Construction, building. City life, urban lifestyles. Complex, complicated, intricate. Competent, capable, qualified. Collect information. Establish a databank. Catastrophic, devastating. Compress, condense, squeeze. Concrete, solid. Concur, agree. Conflict, oppose, differ. Consecutive, successive, continuous, conservative, cautious, restrained, conscientious, scrupulous, virtuous, careless, reckless, conflict, fight, battle, struggle, cease, stop, discontinue, courageous, brave, carefully, meticulously, channel their feelings, emotional forces in harness, cemetery, burial ground, current teaching methods, modern teaching practices, characteristics, traits, citizens, residents, cognitive, perceptual, cut down on, reduce, categories, types, city, metropolitan, conserving energy, sparing use of energy reserves, comply with, obey, cheerful, optimistic, cheap, worthless, courageous, brave, heroic, cowardly, fearful, contributed to, made a contribution to, charging, pricing, contaminate, pollute, contented, satisfied, pleased, comparatively, relatively, come, approach, arrive, reach, cool, chilly, cold, frosty, frigid, conform, comply, conceal, hide, cozy, comfortable, congested, overcrowded, stuffed, continue, persist, persevere, clarify, explain, simplify, connect, join, link, attach, conscious, aware, courteous, polite, considerate, thoughtful, constantly, always, continually, convenient, handy, conventional, customary, traditional, correct, accurate, right, cry, shout, yell, scream, cut, chop, reduce, crazy, insane, mad, cruel, heartless, careless, negligent, chatting on the internet, chatting online, criminals, people who commit a crime,